So it's 1:18 in the morning. We're in the emergency room. I got a 6:30 appointment tomorrow. But life don't stop.
So my boy ended up with the flu. Both kids, one flu, down for the count. We had to stay home for Christmas. But it's all good though. So here it is. We got a kids Mohawk. Make sure y'all smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and put them post notifications on. You heard?
Yo, what's good? It feels so good to be back. As you can see here, we got the bald line going with the Skeleton FX. Just cleaning it out, making sure we are good to go. How's y'all holidays going, man? It's Christmas Day. Sitting here watching the game and doing this voiceover. So I just cleared out the that side with the two closed. So that way I know that was the highest point. And then we're going to get started with that blade open, all the way open, and then fade down to transition from that blade open to the skin. Just closing the lever one notch at a time. The Babyliss FX clippers, they do have like little clicks on the side, so it makes it real easy not to get lost in where you're going. So we're just gonna go through that. Now we got the one guard all the way open. We're gonna follow that same system and fade down to remove that hard line from the first panel. I kind of do this fade on the Mohawk in two different parts. Like I'll do on the side of the head, and then I'll do like the curvature part that goes towards the back. I don't know why, it helps me out. I used to struggle with Mohawks a lot in the beginning, but once I started doing it like that, it kind of helped me out. So now I got the 1.5 guard since we already did the two close to the ridge, and then we're gonna marry the second and third panels together, and we're just gonna, make sure that transition is nice and smooth, baby. So I know it's tough in the shop, man. You working with a bunch of guys and they just trying to get on that camera. So as you can see here in a second, my man Silas is going to try to get his 5 seconds of fame. So we're still getting after it. Like I said, I didn't make this channel with the thoughts that I'm the best barber out here. Nothing like that. Obviously, we're far from it. I made this channel to learn and to help others grow with me, because I know there's a lot of room for growth in this industry, and I knew that this would help me take my game to the next level. There's no such thing as a perfect haircut, but you definitely want to be nice, you know what I'm saying? Like, nobody wants to be an average barber. And so for those who think they got, some room to grow, that's good, man. That's real good. So as you can see, with that dip in his head, there's still that dark spot there, so I'm trying to attack it. In a lot of cases, I could see what's wrong, but sometimes taking care of that issue is tough. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting a line on it, try to put that picture in a frame, and it helps see that fade a little clearer. So I'm wrapping up this side of the haircut now. When I go to the other side, where I just simply want to let this beat play. When I heard this beat, I was like, bro, I'm not talking on this beat. I'm going to just let it ride for a minute, and then we'll get back to it. So here it is, the other side, following the same steps. Here it is. right, guys, we are back. If that beat wasn't for you, it doesn't matter because it was for me. So here we are. We're about to line them up. So I'm going to take that them bangs down. I got the 1.5 guard on the bangs, trying to smoothen it out. And then I'm going to take my skeletons, and I'm going to start in the middle of his head. And we're going to work our way over to that corner. Try to get that sharp 90-degree angle. Now, when we go to the other side, let's just say it wasn't so perfect. You'll see here shortly. Watch. Here it is. Boom. So we're going to fix that. That mirror is a powerful tool. So make sure y'all using your mirrors. And that's it. So as you can see there, I was showing some imperfections on that side of the fade. And unfortunately, as you can see towards the back of his head, there's a little area there that could have used some work. It's definitely noted for next time. But it's all good though. We ain't here to be perfect. We here to get better. So now as you can see, I'm just shaping the hawk, trying to get those overhanging hairs. And now we're about to put that Tune 45 shave gel on the kid and make that hairline as crispy as possible. I told my man Jordan I was gonna shave off his eyebrows. I'm not gonna do his eyebrows, but you gotta mess with them kids, man. You gotta make sure they're comfortable in your chair. You see a lot of back and forth between lining him up and shaping the mohawk. Probably wasted a lot of time going back and forth instead of just taking care of one all the way and then going back and then doing the other. But still trying to master the process and get it together. But the cut's coming out nice though. I'll probably say this in every single video, but recording your haircuts takes you to another level. It just does. Like, that camera lens is better than any set of eyes I have ever come across. Any set of eyes. You be thinking you're doing a fire cut, and then you check the camera, and that camera will tell you a different story. So I'm loving this right now. So if you're not doing it, if you're not recording your cuts or taking pictures, y'all sleep. Y'all not trying to grow. It's that simple. It's that simple. Because look at this. Look at this right here. It's a prime example of how it helps. What seems obvious, maybe not, whatever. Check it out. So as you can see on the left side of his head, it's still sticking out. Like the shape isn't there. So we're going to go back into it and make sure that shape is right. Because how it's hanging over right there is just, that's no bueno. So there we go. Right there. Damn, I know myself pretty well, huh? Probably not. I just seen this video 100 times, redoing voiceovers and editing it. I'm feeling real happy about this cut, huh? What y'all think? Just ready to open them presents on Christmas. Shout out to Tito for the instrumentals. Dude, let's keep growing, man.